Buyer home demand on the Eastern Shore is slow overall, perhaps a residual of the challenges related to the snow and ice storm. It's Friday, February 6, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. So the buyer home demand on the Eastern Shore is slow overall. Queen Anne's, Talbot, Worcester, Somerset, and Kent County are all limited. That's the lowest rating on the home demand index. Inventory of homes offered for sale fell 2.1% to 1,830 at a median $384,900. 120 homes will be coming to the market at a $449,950 median list price. 121 homes went under contract since the last report in 37 days and at a median $349,000. 122 homes sold in 58 days at 94.1% and at a median $362,705. Rentals remained at 172 units and the median held at $2,200 per month. These have been on the market for lease for 49 median days. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, February 6th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Take care.